Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Days with Darlene. Today I have a video that I promised you guys about 2 videos ago when I did my living room makeover. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. Make sure you guys check it out. So I want to thank my sister Liz, who inspired my husband and I to do our whole balcony makeover. She sent us a picture that she found somewhere of someone who had redone their balcony super pretty. And then we literally that night just were on Pinterest for hours trying to find exactly what we wanted to do, found what we wanted, and then we set out to do it. But before I give you guys a tour, this is what it looked like beforehand. So as you guys can see, our balcony was pretty sad and depressing. It wasn't really a place that we went out to or hung out in, but we wanted to make the most out of our entire living space, so we fixed it up. We are so proud and excited to show you guys. It turned out amazing. I hope it inspires you guys to do it yourselves. It kind of costs a little bit, but if you sell your old things, like I said in my last video, it's definitely doable. So let's go ahead and I will show you guys what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit, and we're gonna start with the floors. So obviously there's cement underneath, but we bought these really nice tiles from IKEA and just placed them on the first half. And on the second half, we have some really nice grass, artificial grass that we put. We really wanted to give our dog a really nice, comfortable place that she could chill in. Speaking of which, by the way, this is the same dog as my last video. She just decided, we finally took her to get groomed. So her name is Pixie and she's the cutest. Anyway, so the floors really made this place a million times better. It also honestly keeps a lot of the dust out. The next thing is, or the biggest part of our balcony makeover, was the little bed that we put in here. So I'll tell you guys what it's made out of in a second, but I want to show you some of our cool pillows. So like I said, throw pillows really spruce up the place. These are actually Zhiyun pillows. So if you guys haven't checked out my Zhiyun video, check it out. I did a clothing Zhiyun haul, but honestly, check out Zhiyun's home decor because these are really cute. They were $5 and I also got it in this color. And then we just kind of placed them all together. And it really looks really cute. And then this is just a regular bed sheet that we take off every now and then to wash because it does get dirty. It's outside, obviously. This is Pixie's favorite place to be now. Look at her. You little silly girl. Okay, so let me show you guys what our bed is made out of. It's pretty interesting. Okay, so dun dun dun. So these are actually milk crates. We have 9 of them total that make up the whole frame of the bed. We went to a couple of different grocery stores, asked around if anyone was willing to give them to us, and a couple of places gave us a few, and finally we had enough to make the whole frame. Then my husband Walter went to Lowe's, bought a, what do you call this? I don't know. Plywood. And we put that underneath. Then I found this guy at Target. It was a twin 2-inch, or I think it's 2-inch mattress foam thingy. Super inexpensive. It was $30. And then we just covered it all with the bed sheet. So honestly, it costs barely anything to make and it looks super cute once you put the bed sheet and all the pillows on. We honestly love just hanging out here. No barking at dogs. No barking at dogs. No barking at dogs. Where are your manners? A little DIY never hurt anyone, and that's coming from me. I honestly am not crafty at all. I would much rather just buy everything than make it, but my husband helped me. Actually, I helped him. He honestly did most of this. So this is another thing that we DIY'd. We bought these from Amazon and then tied them to some twine and then just had them dangle down below, and it looks super cute, I think. As you can see, we have lights. At night, it looks so pretty. We turn on these little lights and they just look really gorgeous. We had to add plants, of course, so we actually added a couple plants. This one was from Target and we have more I'll show you guys in a second. So I want to talk a little bit about this netting that we put up. Because we have a lot of greenery, which honestly, it's such a pretty view, but because of that, we tend to get a lot of flies and mosquitoes. Like after 5 o'clock, it's like mosquito feasting hour out here. But this net has really helped to keep a lot of these bugs out. I'm not gonna lie, this net was a huge challenge. We struggled a lot to figure out how to get it to like stay up. So we tried, I don't even remember how many things we tried, but finally we were able to just hook it and then add a little bit of Velcro so that we can stick, you know, close up the edges. We also left this part open in the middle so we can open it in case we ever want to grill out here, or when we do grill out here, we can, you know, let the smoke go out.
And then the smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
So this net, honestly, it was quite a pain in the butt, but it was so worth it. It's also from Amazon. I'm gonna link all of this down below for you guys in case you want to buy it and do it yourself. So this patio set was actually the very first item that we bought for our balcony. It's from IKEA. It's also not expensive at all. And then we just put a cute little plant decor that we got from Target up here, and you know, just more greenery. Really makes the place look, like I said, plants make everything look nicer. This is our grill, which I know kind of looks ugly, but we don't have a better solution for it. And then this was the final piece that we added to our balcony, which is this cute shelf ladder thing. And we just put artificial plants. These are all from Target. I want to show you guys something. Hold on, give me 1 second. Walter went to IKEA by himself because I had to work. And his job was to find plants for the ladder. And he came home with these guys. Like, do you see how small they are?
Actually, right here, like right next to that big one, they're actually kind of cute.
Okay,
you know what? No, we're leaving it there.
They're so tiny. Anyway, I'm pretty sure when it's windy, they're gonna get knocked off.
Yeah, we're gonna have to double-sided tape them?
Yeah. But they look really cute. We need a few more just for that bottom shelf, but like I said, it's really cute. It's nice to look at and all that. Most of these plants are from IKEA, with the exception of, I think, this one. This one's from Target. Yeah, Target. They're all really super inexpensive, but honestly, like I told you guys, we really love how our balcony turned out. We hang out here a lot. I actually come out here to work sometimes since I'm working from home, but it's just a really chill place. We actually are thinking of getting like a mini projector, maybe being able to watch a movie out here. But it's just, look at her. She's so comfortable. She even loves it.
She lives here.
We love it. Say hi. Say hi. I honestly recommend that if you guys have a balcony or like a little patio or whatever, that you DIY it and make it just like your own little place. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be just a break away from being inside, especially in the summer. Like, we just love coming out here. Summer nights out here have been the best. Especially during quarantine or because of this whole COVID thing, that we haven't really been able to get out. So it's been really nice to come out here and just chill. It's also really romantic at night with the lights on. I'll show you guys what it looks like at night. So if you guys enjoyed watching our little balcony makeover, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of videos like this, shopping hauls, just lifestyle kind of videos. Make sure you hit that little bell so that you can get notified whenever I do put up a video. I try to post a video at least once a week. If you guys want to get to know me a little bit more, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will also list it down below. I'd love to hear from you guys, so please let me know if you end up doing this. Comment down below if you do this, or comment down below what your favorite part of our balcony makeover was. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.